Welcome back to Boost Motion, and today I want to make a quick video on how to get rid of certain tire lights, such as or oil lights that may come up that you need to service the tires or whatever breaks or whatever comes up on this dash. So let's just jump into it. I want you guys to go to the controls, change it, move it around, and get to the engine oil. If it's down to 0, you know it's going to keep popping up every time you start. So what you do is you do this, press and hold, and it resets. It's always going to go to 9939. Now, you're always going to still get a tire notification for like rotating tires or other little things. So what you have to do is go this way. Go over to your settings. You're going to go over. You're going to find your app garage. You're going to press on app garage. You're going to go to maintenance note. Once you go to maintenance note, you're going to go to maintenance. Once you press on maintenance, you can either go to all parts, but let's go to all parts. Go to engine oil. I did my engine oil recently, so I'm going to reset it. For the distance I'm going to reset it is for 3,000, right? This set allows you to set the distance you want. Now, you may see this line fill here. So what you have to do is press the reset button. When you reset the button, it resets whatever is already accumulated down to 0. Also, you can set it by date. Okay, so it says set date is going to be May 23rd of 2018. I don't know why it's saying that, but anyways. And you could put the reminder on and off, okay? And I'm going to change this to just in case. I'm going to change this to November. It's like every 6 months. And then I set that, okay? And it's going to remind you. And you have to do the same thing for the oil filter, because this is how it looks. You see, because I did 3,400 miles, right? So you press the reset button, boom, and you set your distance. I'm gonna set my distance to 3,000. Okay, and also once again, I'm gonna set my date to November. Okay, November 6 months. Let's see what else we can look at really quickly. You have tires. I did rotate my tires too. That's the funny part. I just rotated my tires. I'm going to rotate them with every oil change. So 3,000, once again, reset. Once again, fast forward, November. So guys, this is what you do to pretty much change around the orientation when you're going to service your car. It's just easier that way. Let me see if I could bump into anything else. Oh wait, that was actually not tire rotation. That was just tires. Oh no. You got battery, miles overdue. The reason why it says miles overdue because you never set a distance or a reminder time, so it's gonna always show in red. So I'm gonna leave a lot of this alone. You got front brake pads, rear brake pads. I haven't changed those yet. Wipers, coolant, brake fluid, automatic transmission, air filter, clean air filter. Pretty much the same type of way you would do it is the same for everything. You see, it's always going to say that unless you set the distance. So you can actually set your car up to when you want to, so it'll remind you on when to do certain things. And this one just says other reminder. All right, so guys, that's how you reset a lot of the stuff so it can stop coming back up on this screen whenever you're going through those alerts that it just keeps telling you to do certain things. Okay, all right guys, so if you like this video, subscribe. If you want to join the channel, please subscribe, send a like, send a comment. Maybe I might have missed something. All right, guys, enjoy, and I'm signing out.